So standard 10 arithmetic progression. This is lecture number 7, exercise 3.4. I will try to finish this question 5 and question 6. Question 5, 6, two remaining. Question number 5. Kargil's temperature was recorded from Monday to Saturday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, the 6 days. Okay. All recordings were in AP. Means arithmetic progression. The sum of the temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of the temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. If the temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degree, so the remaining days we have to find. Then find the temperatures on other 5 days. Means 5 days we have to find. So this is the odd number. So for odd number, the difference we keep as D. See this. A here I put. Here it will be A minus D. Here will be A plus D. Okay. Now here you come. Here you come. So here it will be A plus D. 2D. Here it will be A minus 2D. Then how many days are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 4, 5. One another day is remaining. Out of that, this we know this is minus 30 degrees Celsius. We will come to that conclusion. Then A plus 3. If I take one here, it will be A minus 3. But the days will become 7. These are now 6 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is Monday. This is Tuesday. This is Wednesday. This is Thursday. This is Friday. And this is Saturday. In the examination, you will write like this. Let the temperatures be as follows. Like this, you will make this so that the examiner will come to know it very precisely. This way you will write. Or separately, let the temperature on Monday, A minus 2D, this, that way you will write. Now from first condition, what is given? From first condition. What is that first condition? The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 more. That means this Monday is what? A minus 2D. Plus Saturday is A plus 3D. This temperature is more. A minus 2D plus A plus 3D. This is Monday. This is Saturday. The temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 more than the sum of the temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. So this is more. More means the difference is 5 degrees Celsius. From whom it is more? From the sum of the temperatures on Tuesday and Saturday. Tuesday is this, A minus D, plus Saturday, A plus 3D. See this. Whenever the difference is given, one is more than the other, that means it is the difference. The bigger you take here, the smaller you take here, and that difference you will find. Therefore, now I will open the brackets. This A plus A is 2A, minus 2D plus 3D is plus D, minus. This will be A plus A 2A, this will be plus 4D, this D, and this all is equal to 5. Got it. So this 2a2 will get cancelled. So d minus 4d is equal to 5. That way, this is the idea of solving these sums. Otherwise, this will be difficult for you. So, this way, I will go on doing it now. So, you have understood this well. Hope that you have understood. Or you can go like this also. If suppose you want to do like this, then suppose here I am not taking a plus 3. Here I am taking a, I will rub it and once again I will explain you. Here a, just see how many different arrangements are there. A minus d, here a plus d. Here a minus 2d, here a plus 2d. See the difference. For the odd numbers, we are saying the difference should be d. And here I have taken a minus 3d. All arrangements are possible. So this will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this will be Saturday. This should be, the names should be capital. This way it will be. Out of that, this Wednesday means a minus d is given. And the temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees. That was given me, this is given. Now the sum of Monday and Saturday. Sum of the temperature of Monday and Saturday. Sum of the temperature of Monday is a minus 3d plus Saturday is a plus 2d. This is Monday, this is Saturday. This sum is more than the sum of temperature on Tuesday. Tuesday is a minus 2d and plus a plus 2d. By how much? By 5. This is also the way of solving. A plus a will be 2a. 3 plus 2d is equal to 5d minus. This a plus a is 2a. This will be 2d will cut, that is equal to 5. Therefore, now come here, open this. 2a will get cancelled. 5d is equal to 5. Therefore, d equal to 1. These are the different arrangements. Either you can take it here or you can take it here. Go on explaining that side. So, and in some cases the d may come in fraction also. Don't worry. Overall the calculations will be same. So, temperature on Monday. Is equal to a minus d. A minus d. And put the value of a. So this way you can have it. So I have explained you how you can solve it. So the remaining part I will keep it for you. So So you can go in the different fashions. Another way also I have solved it here. Monday, suppose you can take A, Tuesday A plus D, Tuesday, Wednesday you can take A plus 2D, and so on. That way also you can find this. Hope that you are getting this now. So the question number 6. So you will get it all now. D is equal to 1. In our case it has come. It can come different also. A minus D, whatever the date. Let me complete it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is here. From here I will start A minus D. Here it will be A minus 2D. Here it will be A minus 3D. Here it will be A plus D. Here it will be A plus 2D. This way. Now Monday and Saturday temperature sum A minus 3D plus A plus 2D. This sum is more than Tuesday and Saturday. Let me see the sum first. Monday and Saturday, and then Tuesday and Saturday. Minus Tuesday is A minus 2D plus Saturday is A plus 2D. And this difference is 5 degrees Celsius. Now therefore, from FC means from first condition, I will add this to 2A minus D minus this A is 2A, and this 2D will get cancelled. That is equal to 5. So 2A will get cancelled. So minus D is equal to 5. Therefore D is equal to minus 5. These are the different ways of approach. Earlier it was 1. So what you are assuming, accordingly your D will come. But the overall answer would be same. Don't worry about this. Now Wednesday of temperature of Wednesday is minus 30. Temperature of Wednesday equal to minus 30. Therefore, Wednesday is what? A minus D is equal to minus 30. Therefore, A minus D is what? Minus 5 is equal to minus 30. Therefore, A plus 5 equal to minus 30. Therefore, A is equal to, this 5 will go there, minus 30 minus 5. Therefore, A equal to minus 35. This way it will go. So, temperature of Wednesday is what? Monday now. Monday temperature, what is it? A minus 3D. A minus 3 into D equal to, temperature on Monday equal to A minus 3. A is how much? Minus 35. So I will write here minus 35. Minus 3 into D is minus 5. So that is equal to minus 30. Minus 30 is minus 35. Minus plus 15. and that is equal to minus 20. Tuesday. Tuesday is what? Here it is Tuesday. A minus 2D. A minus 2D. That is equal to A minus. A is how much that we know. Minus 35. Minus 35. Minus 2 into minus 5. That is equal to minus 35 plus 10. That is equal to minus 25. Wednesday. Wednesday equal to how much is Wednesday? A minus D. That is equal to A is minus 35 minus of minus 5. That is equal to minus 35 plus 5, and that is equal to minus 30. See that when the temperature was given, we got it correct. Now Thursday. Thursday. What is that temperature on Thursday? A equal to, what is the value of A? Minus 35. So now Thursday, Friday. Friday is equal to A plus D. A plus D. That is equal to minus 35 plus minus 5. And so this will be minus 40. And now Saturday. A plus 2D. A is minus 30 minus 35 plus 2 into minus 5. That is equal to minus 35 minus 10 is equal to minus 45. These are the temperatures in AP. Write the overall answer. So once again I will tell you, either you go here, if you suppose rub this, then this will become Monday, and here this will be Friday, and here it will be the Saturday, A plus 3D. So this will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. That way also you can solve. Don't worry about what that D is coming. Okay. So hope that you have understood this very important sum. Means in the examination time, from where you are starting, don't worry about it. You will get it automatically. All the answers will be automatic. So I'll go for the 7th sum, and there I will finish this video. 6th sum, tree plantation. Tree plantation. I am writing in the shortcut. P-A-T-I. Tree plantation. First row. Trees were planted in such a way that first row there is one tree. There is one. Second row there are two. Second row there are two. Third row there are three. So find the total number of the trees and so on. They have one. 25th row, till this they have done. Third row, third. So 25th will be 25. No doubt of it. So find the total number of trees. Total trees equal to question mark. So naturally this is the first term A, here solution I am writing solution here a equal to 1, d also 1, n is equal to 25. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into 2 into a is 1 plus n minus 1 means 25 minus 1 into d is 1. So that is equal to 25 upon 2 into bracket 2 plus 24. Out of that, this now easy sum, that is equal to 25 upon 2 into this will be 26. So that is equal to 2 1 are 13. 13 5 are 65, carry 6. 13 2 are 26 plus 6 32. So 325 number of the trees would be planted. So here I close the video. Video has become lengthy because of that Cargill sum. This was the last question, 6th question, and hope that you have understood this well. So after this video I will start with AP. AP its problem set. Bye till then.